Welcome to Heritage Builders. We are out here at the Vinyard Ridge in Fredericksburg, Texas. This is lot 83 in the development. We are out here doing a custom build for some clients. The plan that we have selected for this lot is the Kylie. It is roughly 2,200 square feet. You can find that on our plans page at heritagebuilderstx.com/plans. I am out here with Darren Freeman, our builder.
Good morning, everybody.
And you can see here we are at the initial stages of construction here. Darren, why don't you tell us what stage are we at right now?
Well, right now, as you can see in the background, over there in the back, we pulled out all the boulders that are on this lot and got everything nice and level, got all the vegetation off of it underneath the foundation. And as you can see, the guys have started setting forms, backfilling with material. So they'll be back out here later today doing some more of that. We'll build this whole area up. And you can see they've already got their sandbags in around the edges. That's forming their footers. And once they get that done, then we'll be ready to start doing the rough-in electrical and the rough-in plumbing. And then we'll start digging our trenches for for the interior beams. And then once all that's done and all of our inspectors have been out here through our processes of inspections and everything's good to go, then we'll pour the foundation.
Fantastic. So this is the this is really step one, is getting out here, clearing the lot, and getting those, as Darren pointed out, those big huge rocks. We found those under the ground while we're trying to get it nice and flat. You can see here there's some fill material, as he mentioned. Not to mention we're looking out the back part of the house, so this particular homeowner is going to have a fantastic view of this scenery. This is just beautiful. So, all right, folks. So there we are. Step one: get the forms in, and we'll be back here again shortly. Thank you for visiting. Make sure you like our videos, like our page, and feel free to share. Thank you for visiting. Bye-bye.